Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix any problem in the Photos app in Windows 10 and Windows 11. For example, your Photos app crashing, not loading, don't open or not opening, not start. Whatever. The first step is go to the start menu and search for apps and features and hit enter. Scroll down and browse your Photos app or search in Photos, Microsoft Photos, one click and select advanced options. Scroll down and select terminate. You can verify to enable this switch: camera on, microphone on, and background apps on. Terminate and click on repair. You can view this check in this option. You can verify the Photos app works properly. One click and click on close and you can show works properly. If your problem persists in the Photos app, click on close, restore this window, click on terminate and click on reset. Click on reset and wait a moment. And you can show this icon or symbol and close this window and open up the Photos app and your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.